Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. My name is Kanella Ciraco. This is my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new watching, if you like what you see today and you are not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. That way you are notified every time I post a new video. All right, so let's get started. If you saw, not my last video, that was my peacock pour, but the video before that where I did the massive triptych, would you believe that just dried today? So today is the 23rd at night, so it's been almost a week. It took a long time to dry, but I can finally say it's dry, and it dried perfectly. So now it will get a coat of resin, and then I will show it to you guys in all its glory once it is resined. All right, so tonight I am working on a 15 by 30 inch canvas, and this is a commissioned piece for my best client, Amy. Amy, I know you're watching, so this one is for you. So what we're going to be starting with is a black base. I'm going to be using my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black, and it is mixed with water and Floetrol, the same as my colored paints, water and Floetrol, and they are mixed the same, and you can find those mixing ratios in video number 63. I will link it up here at the top. For those of you who are using Australian Floetrol or Oatrol, you can check out video number 345. That is a tutorial on mixing your paints with those two types of Floetrol. So Amy had commissioned a piece from me way back with a black, gold, and white, if I remember correctly. I will link that video here at the top. So she wanted something similar, and actually it was a split. It was a black and white split with just gold. Yes, now I remember. It was a black and white split, and I used one color, gold. So this time we are doing all black with white and gold. So I've got here my 24 karat gold by DecoArt, which I'm going to use very sparingly because you know how this takes over a lot and we don't want that. And then I have white, titanium white by Amsterdam, and then topping it off, a little bit of a darker gold. It's deep gold by Amsterdam, okay? So those are the colors I'm using. I'm gonna use a little bit of this only because I know it creates really great cells. So that's why I'm only gonna use a little bit of this, and then I'm gonna just do my normal with that. So here I've got my squeeze bottles, the same thing that's in here. I just use this to do my edges. So I am going to flood my canvas, and I'll be right back. All right, everybody, my canvas is flooded. The bubbles are popped. I went and got myself some more butane, and this baby is full. If you saw that last video, whew, I was running out of butane there, but I remembered to go and get some. And tonight I'm going to be using my old hair dryer. I had a lot of comments in that triptych video 2 videos ago about how much people noticed the difference in the blowout between this and the flower hair dryer. And I do agree that this does blow out better petals. And it's been so long since I had used it. And you know what? I when I did that video and I did that piece, it really reminded me how great this one really is. So I'm going to go back to using this. All right. So let's start with my 24 karat gold. And I'm going to do just a simple wispy, because that is what my client wants. So question is, which way do I want to go? Just gonna go, I guess it doesn't really matter because she could really hang it any way she likes. So we shall go, and again, I'm gonna use this one sparingly, sparsely, a little bit, call it whatever you want. And that is it. And you can see it's like expanding. So Then I'm going to put a lot of this white. Hope I have enough because there's not really much in here. All right. Look at that. It's empty. So I have more white, but I wanted the titanium white by Amsterdam. And now we've got the deep gold topping it off. Just 3 colors. All right. That is it. 3 colors. So let's pop these bubbles. So powerful. So powerful when you have it full of butane. All right, so let's get started. I am going to, now I'm worried about using this hair dryer. So I'm going to start in this puddle here and go down into the negative space and work my way as I carefully and methodically think this through as I go along. So let's get started. All right, so I'm liking this, but I lost a lot of the gold over here and I'm not liking that. But I love this side, but this side got messed up and I'm not happy about that side right now. I'm not happy at all about that side. And I know if I had used the smaller hair dryer, I probably would have blown that out better. So what do I do now? Do I scrape just this side and go again? This side is so perfect. Perfect, perfect. I love it. I'm going to blow this a little bit and see what I can get out of the gold here. Oh, I'm so disappointed about this side. This side turned out so perfect and this side is just so dark. It's like from here on. So I wonder if I add some more gold and just re-blow it, what would happen? And then if it really doesn't work out, I scrape just this part, add some new black, add some more lines and go again. But as I'm talking, I feel like the color's coming through, or am I just losing my mind here? I don't know. I don't know what to do. Let's see here. I probably should have just added a lot more paint to the canvas, and I think that was my problem. I didn't have enough paint. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to... Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I really, really love this side. And just this side, I don't know what happened. Okay, let me just do this. Let me just do that for a second. And I'm gonna get my flower hair dryer. And let's just see what I can do to fix it. And if it doesn't work, I will just scrape that side off and then I can easily fix it. So I'm not really worried about that. So my cords, all right. And do I have enough white in here to add a strip of white? Just barely. Okay, so let me see what happens if I just blow this out a bit, and maybe it'll add some gold. Okay. Never know what I'm doing with that hair dryer. Ooh, look at the cells that popped up. All right, so it added gold, but now I have this problem here. And if I add here and I go to blow it out, I'm gonna end up over the edge, and I don't wanna go over the edge. So I don't wanna do that because I'm okay over here and here. And if I add more, I know I'm gonna ruin it. At least over here, I was able to blow it over the side. Okay, so now I'm happy with this. I just am not happy with this because it's really dark. So I'm going to add 24 karat gold. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little strip right here and blow it with my mouth. That's what I'm going to do. And hopefully I do not mess this up. And a little bit of white, if I have any left. Yeah, oh, a few air bubbles there, so I will pop those. Not with that, because I don't want it to give me all those crazy little microscopic cells. So I'm going to get my smaller torch or my skewer here. Okay, that works better. All right, so you know what? I almost don't even really need to blow it because that's what happens with 24 karat gold. It expands. But let me blow it just a bit. Okay, now I'm happy. Like, now I'm happy that I added that color in there, and now I'm not going to touch it. So before you're so quick to scrape, see if you can fix it. And if you can, perfect. If you do what I just did and it doesn't work out for you, then scrape it. But at least give it the effort to try it. And oh my goodness, this is starting to turn out really pretty here. All right, so let's see. Do I want to fidget with anything else? Oh, now I'm happy. And that's so cute there. All right, I'm not touching anything else. I'm so glad I did that. I'm really happy with that. So now I'm going to take my squeeze bottle. I'm going to fix my edges and I will be right back. All right, everybody. So here's the piece. Don't forget, take your stick and scrape those drips. And I got to fix that. You see that white spot on the canvas? You got to cover that up. There we go. No white canvas allowed. All right, scrape it. Scrape those drips all the way around. Do it about 2 to 3 times, okay? Give it about 10 minutes in between each time. All right, so I am now happy with this piece, and I'm glad I tried to fix it before I decided to scrape it. So you can guarantee, I can guarantee you, that wasn't in focus, was it? There we go. No, see, it's like unfocusing. There we go. But when I turn these lights off, the shimmer in this painting is going to be ridiculous as my camera tries to autofocus itself while I talk to you guys. The closer I go, it changes the color on me. So I got to stay farther away. So that is where I fixed with the gold, and then over here where I added the white and the gold, and now I think it is perfect. So let's turn the lights off and turn the flash on, and let's check out the shimmer. All right, so the flash is on, and of course that 24 karat gold is a showstopper. That's why I added it at the bottom, because, oh, it's Elvis. Look, an Elvis eye, his hair, maybe a mouth. Is that Elvis, or am I the only one who sees that? Looks like Elvis, but look at that. So this is why I add 24 karat gold, because it's so crazy how much it shimmers and just makes the painting look so pretty. All right, that's where I added that gold there by Amsterdam. Worked out perfectly. I'm loving this. All right, let's turn the lights back on. All right, everybody, so there you have it. Let me know what you guys think about this piece in the comments below. If you are interested in a piece like this one, you can email me and commission a piece. As I mentioned, this one is for my client. But yeah, if you're interested, email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. So that is it for me. Everything you need to know is listed in the description below. Another thing I wanted to mention real quick, in my last video, I told you guys, not the peacock piece, but the last video, I told you guys about the Loli Veffy sale with the kit. It sold out almost instantly. It sold out super, super quick. And Adriana from Loli Veffy actually added another 100. So there was 200 kits instead of 100. And that sold, it all sold within less than 24 hours. So there were a lot of people who were bummed who didn't get a chance to get one. So I will tell you this, there will be another kit coming up for grabs in November. Okay. So if you are interested and you're going to want to buy a kit that's going to be on sale like that, you know, there might be some new goodies in that one. But if you go to the Loli Veffy website and sign up for the newsletter, as soon as that kit is on sale, you will be notified by email that the kit is available for purchase. So you will get first dibs if you are signed up for the newsletter. So head on over to loliveffy.com. And if you don't want to miss out for the next sale, which will be in November, I'm not going to tell you when just yet, but if you sign up for the newsletter, you will get an email right away, so you won't miss out. So keep that in mind. And that is it for now. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.